So, noting three places in the video where social and emotional skill building events happened. The child engages in and maintains positive relationships and interactions with adults. Observing them listening, following along with the mud and the dirt example, the modeling that the educator was doing, just the kids engaging and maintaining that positive relationship. A child engages in pro-social and cooperative behavior with adults. Again, willing to engage, listen, follow along with the mud and the sand, the impromptu lessons, which one's heavier, which one's lighter, is this clumped, that kind of stuff. The child engages in cooperative play with other children. The group of children were able to use each other's water, the dirt, and mud together early on and to come together kind of in a common goal. What do you think the adult did well in this video to support the development of social and emotional development? One, the goal of self-regulation, provided a variety of tools and toys that encourage the children to explore water and sand at their own pace. Another one was relationships with adults, engage in parallel play alongside children, demonstrating positive interactions and modeling social behaviors. Another one would have been the relationships with peers. Supports were arranging the play area to accommodate group play, which it was, allowing children to interact and collaborate with their peers, and also facilitate activities that promote teamwork, such as team building, the sand castles together, or experimenting with the water flow in a group setting, which they did. Consider what environmental, social, or activity supports the adult provided. Is there anything you would do differently? As far as environmental supports, I feel like the adult ensured the play area was organized, well equipped with a variety of safe and age-appropriate water and sand play materials. I also feel like there were established clear boundaries for the play, helping children understand expectations and ensuring a safe and structured environment. I think if I was to change anything, it would be on the side of the activity supports, maybe to plan a diverse and engaging water and sand activities that cater to maybe different developmental levels and interests. And that's it.